Okay guys, this is Sourdough Kathy here, and today is Potato Chit Pot Up Day, and I'll let you know why. It's Potato Chit Pot Up Day because we're having a major snowstorm again. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's my husband's car. It started about 10 minutes ago, and if you look up into the sky here, it's dark. So it's going to be probably a few inches or more, probably about 5. So let's go back inside and do what we were going to do. 4 inches in length, and I'm going to take this out, and it is fully rooted on the bottom. Got lots of nice white roots. So we're going to put it back in the cup, and we're going to load it into what I decided to do was a 5-pound bag rather than a plastic pot. Now these are a little bit difficult to work with, but that's what I chose to do. Now what I have here are some worm castings, some potting mix. I have vermiculite, some perlite, some old potting soil I had in a bag around the house. And this is what I've mixed together and decided to use. So we're going to put this into the bag, a couple of inches, and fill this up probably 2 inches or so. I think it's probably good enough. So I'm going to add some blood meal because that gives it a lot of nitrogen. And I was going to put calcium, but this is azomite. I'm going to add some azomite. And the reason I'm going to not put the calcium is because I found that potatoes actually like a little bit more acidic in environment so as not to develop scab. And what I've done is I've used a lower pH water in this mix here in order to give it that more acidic flavor, so to speak. Now here's the blood meal. It's all red, dark red, as you can see. And I'm just going to mix this in here. And you don't have to worry about it burning your roots or anything like that. It won't burn the roots. It's not going to harm it in any way, shape, or form. So now we're going to take this baby out and just put her in and start covering her up. These bags are a little difficult to work with, see, so I'm having to roll the sides down here so you can see what I'm doing. Not a big deal. All I'm doing is putting soil in, and I'm just going to fill it up as much as I have soil for, because if it needs more later, I can always add more to it. So I'll just keep filling it up till I have nothing left. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. It is so early in the month. This is only, I believe, the 11th of March. This was way early. So I will have to see what happens. I may start another one just in case next month to see if this thing's going to do anything or if it's going to kaput on me, because that's a very possible thing. I'll move a little so I can get the rest of this soil in here. And I'm also going to add in some pictures of what goes on the next day in this. So don't stop watching, because you'll see what actually happened with our snowstorm. I actually took this in a couple of days, so you'll be able to see what happened by the 12th of March and what we went through. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, please. I really appreciate all of your comments, guys. I really, really do. Hey guys, I'm just throwing this at the end of the film. I wanted to show you what our snowstorm did to us yesterday. As you can see, my car is buried. My porch, this is my porch here, just filled. Look at that on top of that thing right there, garbage can with my pumpkins in it. I mean, we are just, I can't even get down. The dogs can't even get down in the backyard. That's how bad it is. And you can see, this is my walkway here. We've just barely got a path. We've got to do shoveling, and we're getting too old for this. I got to find somebody to help us shovel. That's it, guys. I just thought we'd give you a look at the 11th of March. Bye. Well, guys, I was able to show you the front. Now I want to show you what it looks like from my rooftop. Can you see that along there? It's just incredible. And I just got finished with my husband here making this pathway. So if you're planning on doing any gardening here in the near future, people in Alaska, don't plan on it real soon, because there's a lot of melting that needs to go on, and not just melting, but we need to shovel ourselves out. I had to get this porch done just to walk down to get to our roof, which we still have to get all this off of. And then I'm going to head over to my car again and try and dig my car out before the people who come and plow get to plow. So we're having a wonderful day in Anchorage, and the sky looks like it could still snow some more. So I'll get back to you if we get any more.